Welcome to the channel. Need to save your Google Form responses as a PDF? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to download both summary and individual responses from Google Forms and save them as PDF files, fast and easy. First, open Google Forms and sign into your Google account. Then, select the form you want to work with. Once it's open, click on the Responses tab at the top. Here, you'll see a detailed summary of all the responses, including text answers, pie charts, and data visuals. To download this summary view as a PDF, simply click the three-dot menu on your browser, or just press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This opens the Print menu. From here, choose Save as PDF and hit Save. That's it, your summary is now saved as a PDF file on your computer. If you want to download all individual responses in a printable format, go back to the Responses tab and click the three-dot menu within the form itself. Select Print All Responses, wait for the page to fully load, and again click Save as PDF. And if you only want to save a single individual response, select the Individual tab under Responses, then click the printer icon. Once the print window appears, select Save as PDF and choose your file name and location. Whether you're organizing feedback, saving surveys, or storing test results, this method gives you clean, ready-to-use PDF files in seconds. And that's it. You've now learned how to download your Google Form responses and save them as PDFs quickly and easily. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to get more helpful contents, and press the notification button as well. Leave a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one.